Okay, this is a Thompson Center Omega. If you've had problems with a misfire, right here under the hammer, there's a slot for a flat screwdriver. It's where the firing pin is. Mine came loose, costing me the chance at a good buck during the hunt. I wasn't aware of it, but as I checked out the gun, I found that this firing pin area right here, make sure that's snug when you get ready to go hunting. Before you worry about caps and anything else, this is a problem that has to be addressed if you have a misfire on a Thompson Center Omega. So I hope that helps. Good luck.